Hi, welcome to my course macOS Support Network Configuration. My name is Herta Nava. I am an IT localization consultant working in a variety of exciting projects, from digital marketing, web design and development, to software localization. I am also a certified Apple support professional and a very enthusiastic author at Pluralsight. Developing skills to support Mac users will enhance your professional opportunities as a service technician, technical coordinator, or advanced user, both if you intend to work as an independent consultant or in an enterprise setting. On the other hand, this course can help you prepare to take the examination to become an Apple Certified Support Professional. The Apple Training and Certification Program is a very important path you would want to pursue because it will keep you at the forefront of Apple technology and it will help you stand out from the crowd. In this course, we are going to see the topics related to network configuration in computers running the Mac operating system. The main topics we will cover include a review of fundamental network-related topics and concepts, a review of concepts related to network configuration specific to the Mac operating system, network configuration, the advanced network configuration options available, and finally, network connectivity and troubleshooting through the variety of tools offered by the macOS system to quickly help you solve any issues. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge required to support Mac users with regard to network connection and configuration, and you will know the tools you can take advantage of for a smooth and effective network configuration management. Before beginning the course, it would be very recommended to take or have taken the previous courses in this series, which you will find here in the Pluralsight library. Please join me on this journey to learn all about network configuration in Mac with this course right here at Pluralsight.